Hi everyone, today I will explain the Kubernetes cluster and Kubernetes architecture and workflow. First of all, we have to know about the Kubernetes. Kubernetes means the orchestrator. Orchestrator means a person or system that organize, arrange or coordinate the complex activities. What is the Kubernetes cluster? A Kubernetes cluster is a set of nodes model uh, that work together to run the containerized application by grouping. Um, Now let's know about the Kubernetes core component. Each cluster contains the two primary types resource. First of the control plane and second one worker node. Let's explain the control plane. The brain of the cluster, control plane, the brain of the cluster, it's make the global decisions such a scheduling application, response to event, API server, etcgc scheduler and controller manager. And let's now explain the worker node. Worker node, the brain that's actually running the application. Kubelet. What is mean the kubelet? Kubelet an agent that ensure the container is running in prod as expected. So this is the very important component. And another component and kube proxy, a network proxy that the maintain the network rules to allow the communication to your prods. And container runtime, the container runtime is software responsive for running the container. The key concept of Kubernetes, the pod is the smallest deployable unit in the Kubernetes, which can contain one and more container. And deciding unit, another important concept, the deciding state, you define how you want your application is to run, like 2 or 3 replica or 4 replica. And Kubernetes continue work to maintain the states. And scalability, we can easily scale your cluster from a single node to testing thousands of nodes to global production workload. That is this is the basic overview of Kubernetes cluster and the architecture workflow. And that's it. I in this video description I will share my blog post link, so we can see details about the Kubernetes cluster. Thanks for watching. See you next video.